Lastly, the creation and establishment of our long-awaited Santiago City Sports Complex. The development of a state-of-the-art sports complex brings forth a multitude of comprehensive benefits that extend to various segments of the population like the youth, the elderly, and the city as a whole. And I am happy and so excited, so thrilled to share to all of you that for the first time ever, Santiago City will be hosting the 2025 Cagayan Valley Athletic Meet.